believe it? A wild boar weighing up to 400 kilograms, about the size of a motorcycle, has been taken down by experienced Asian hunters. This battle requires more than just guns. It demands strategy, patience, and fearless hunting dogs. With speeds reaching up to 40 kilometers per hour and enough strength to knock down a small tree, wild boars are no easy prey. Now, let's see how they accomplish this feat. Today, we follow Kim Chi-wook, a seasoned veteran with over 30 years of hunting experience. He leads the team deep into the mountains, accompanied by fierce hunting dogs. The hunting dog stops moving. It seems to have picked up a scent. The hunter immediately chases after it, quickening his pace. He carefully loads his weapon. The real battle is about to begin. A precise shot is fired. In the blink of an eye, the boar is down, becoming a feast for the fierce hunting dogs. What an experienced hunter! A flawless execution. Without skill, strategy, and seamless coordination between humans and dogs, this hunt could have turned into a disaster. This is exactly why inexperienced individuals should never face wild boars alone. And for those who insist on hunting alone, this next scene serves as a warning. After half an hour of trekking, two hunters arrive at an island infested with massive wild boars. Oh, there it is. The wild boar is surrounded by the hunting dogs. He fired his gun. Oh no, no! The boar is charging. A wild counterattack. Luckily, a heart-stopping moment. Wild boars are not easy opponents. Some weigh up to 400 kilograms, run at speeds of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, and when cornered, they will attack humans without hesitation. No escape. Oh, there it is. A giant wild boar is completely surrounded by hunting dogs. A precise shot from a veteran hunter ends the chase. A perfect victory that saves the farm from this destructive menace. Look at these tracks. In South Korea, wild boars increasingly invade residential areas due to deforestation stripping them of their habitat. These must belong to monster-sized wild boars. The hunting dogs are immediately released to track the target. Oh no, even the graves here have been dug up. These beasts are relentless. The dogs just barked. The boar must be nearby. What's happening? Everything happens so fast. The wild boar is completely taken down with just 2 gunshots. Climbing up, climbing down. Tracking wild boars is not for the faint-hearted. Footprints, mud patches, and broken branches help the team follow the trail. But even after 1 to 4 hours of tracking, success is never guaranteed. my God, was that gunshot enough to bring the boar down? A dark figure appears ahead, but wait. It's massive. Weighing at least 200 kilograms, this is a true giant. Are you ready to face wild boars like these hunters? If not, it's best to stay far away from these giants. Listen, the hunting dogs are barking furiously. They've definitely found something. The terrain here is extremely dangerous, steep slopes and deep waters. One wrong step, and everyone could fall into the abyss. If you ever encounter a wild boar in the forest, don't run. That will only trigger their hunting instincts. Stay calm, back away slowly, and find a safe way out.
Japan, the land of the rising sun, famous for cherry blossoms, Mount Fuji, and its unique culture. However, this country is also facing a serious problem: the rapid surge of wild boars. The dense forests and rugged terrain have unintentionally become a paradise for these creatures. They invade farmlands, ravage crops, and cause severe damage to farmers. Dense bamboo forests serve as the perfect sanctuary for wild boars in Japan. They weave through the sturdy bamboo stalks, enjoying the abundant food supply and natural cover. Yet, amidst this untouched beauty, a silent battle is unfolding. Felled bamboo trunks lie chaotically, obstructing my path as I pursue my target. Sweat drips down my face as I push through the rugged terrain, moving toward my prey hiding above. Then, the critical moment arrives. The wild boar is perfectly positioned within my sights. Without hesitation, I pull the trigger. The gunshot rings out, and the bullet flies straight to its mark, taking the boar down instantly. Its hefty body rolls a few times before coming to a complete stop, a swift and decisive end. Deep in the dense forest, the eerie silence is broken only by the crunching of dry leaves under my footsteps. In this battlefield, only highly trained hunting dogs can track down the prey. Wild boars, nature's cunning predators, can hide in the shadows or charge at any moment. I tread cautiously, each step deliberate, as if walking on the edge of cliff. The terrain is steep and slippery. One wrong move could cost me my life. Suddenly, the hunting dogs bark furiously, signaling danger ahead. My heart pounds as I rush downhill. Fallen branches create natural obstacles, hindering my every step. My breath quickens, and I tighten my grip on my weapon. Then, three dark figures burst out of the underbrush. Without delay, I raise my gun, hold my breath, and pull the trigger. A precise shot echoes through the air. We continue tracking down the remaining ones. The thunderous gunshots shatter the stillness of the forest. Each shot marks another victory, with wild boars falling one by one. Higher up, the snow has yet to fully melt, leaving patches of white scattered across the ground. Following the trail, I crouch low, ready to strike. Then, from the dense bushes below, a heavy shadow lunges forward like an arrow. Without hesitation, I pull the trigger. The gunshot booms. Instead of fleeing, the boar charges straight at the hunting dog. But the bullet has already pierced deep into its body, causing it to let out a final roar before collapsing. I cautiously approach, holding my breath, then raise my gun. A second, decisive shot rings out. The once mighty destroyer is now nothing but a lifeless carcass. Before leaving, the hunter bows to the forest, a gesture of gratitude to Mother Nature. For in the cycle of survival, whether hunter or prey, all are part of the same eternal balance. On the way back, just when we thought the journey had ended, we encountered another unfortunate boar. This time, there was no escape. It was taken away, marking another victory in our battle against this invasive species. Aside from firearms, the Japanese employ a more sophisticated and humane method: foot snare traps. This controlled method of capturing wild boars is strictly regulated, requiring legal permits due to its impact on the ecosystem. Once subdued, the hunter drags it out of the forest, marking the end of the hunt.